welcome. You are watching Easy English with Maria in Untitled Institute. In the previous program, we were talking about the present simple tense, about regular actions. But what if you want to ask your friend about things he or she does every day? How do you form a question? First of all, let's watch a short video.
What do you do after work?
Go home, watch TV.
What do you watch?
I don't know, stuff.
Well, like what?
Like, Ice Road Truckers.
Ice Road Truckers. What happens on that one?
Guys drive on ice.
Let's recall some of the questions.
What do you do after work?
So the man asks, what do you do after work? One more question.
What do you watch?
He also asks, what do you watch? Let's look attentively at these questions. What do you do after work? What do you watch? These two sentences have something in common, and this is the words what and do. Notice that the word what makes a special question. It helps us to ask a person about specific things which he or she usually does. But for now, let's make these questions general by removing the word what. Let's see what we have here. Do you do anything after work? Do you watch TV? So, if we want to make a question, we need a special word. And this is the word do. This word helps us to turn a positive sentence into a question. Do you do anything after work? At the beginning, we can see do, then subject, and then some action. Do. We use the verb in a simple form. One more question. Do they watch TV? At the beginning, we have do, then again a subject, and then we have some action, watch. And we have one more question. Do we go shopping? Again, it's very important. At the beginning, we have do, then we have a subject, and only then we have some action, go shopping. Now, let's look. If I take away do, what do we have? We have positive sentences, right? You watch TV. But if I add do, we have a question. Do you watch TV? And what if we want to ask about a him or her? Then we use the word does instead of do. For example, does she do anything after work? Or does he watch TV? Or does she go shopping? Notice that we don't add s ending to an action. It stays the same. But if we take away the word does, we get a positive sentence. And here we must add s ending to the verb. He watches TV. She goes shopping. He always looks the same. So now we see the structure of the question. We will always have do or does at the beginning. Then we will have a subject, and then we will have some action. We will use the verb in a simple form. And if we want to ask a special question, we will add the question word at the beginning. For example, what do you do after work? So you can answer, I watch TV. The next question, where do you watch TV? I watch TV at home, for example. When do we go shopping? We go shopping on weekends. Or when does she go shopping? She goes shopping every Friday. The structure of these sentences is the following. Firstly, we have the question word, what, where, when, why, etc. Then we have do or does. Then a subject. And then we have an action. Don't forget that we use the verb in a simple form. Now it's time for you to practice. Right now you will see some pictures and you will see some positive sentences. You must turn positive sentences into questions. Don't forget that if you want to make a question, you will always need do or does, okay? So now let's look at some pictures. So the first one, you can see cats and dogs fight. How do we make a question? That's right, very easy. We say, do cats and dogs fight? Okay, one more picture. Sarah likes flowers. How do we make a question? Very good. We just say, does Sarah like flowers? Okay, and the last picture. Let's look at this one. They play basketball every evening. Alright, I'll give you a hint. We can make two questions with this sentence. A special question and a general question. So, how do we make questions? Exactly. We can say, do they play basketball every evening? Or, when do they play basketball? So, thank you guys. This was program Easy English with Maria. I hope that you understood everything that I explained. Make sure to like this video and share it with your friends. See you soon.